Welcome back to another tutorial of Photoshop. Today we'll learn how to create Instagram profile picture. Create a new canvas by pressing Ctrl-N. Height will be 1800 and width 1800. Press OK. Click on Circle. Click on the middle of a canvas. Height will be 1800 and width 1800. No stroke and chose whatever color you want. Delete the background layer, center the circle. Bring the model image, lower the opacity and adjust the image. Bring back the opacity. Right-click and create clipping mask. Go to Quick Selection tool, select Subject, click on Layer Mask. Go to FX and drop Shadow. Follow the settings. To make it more awesome, just go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter and follow the settings. Export the PNG image. Go to File, Export, click on Export As, Format PNG, click the transparency, click on Export button below. See you soon with another cool tutorial.